As the year is ending, let's take a look at what 2021 can bring us. I believe 2021 is going to be the best year for crypto and the stock market. In this video I will be focusing on the cryptocurrency. For those who don't know me, I am a day trader. On this YouTube channel I started a challenge to get a monthly dividend of $3,000. The starting budget is $1,000. And every month I will add $200 to this investment project. So subscribe to my channel to follow my updates on this journey. See which stocks, cryptos I buy. But more importantly why I buy them. And see what day trading setups I use for trading options. Which cryptos are going to be booming in 2021? I will start with Bitcoin first. Bitcoin, the internet store value of gold. In 2020 we saw that fiat money is being printed, and I expect the same will happen in 2021. As many countries are in need of fiat money to fix up their economy and country. Fiat money will lose more of their value as it is being diluted. 3iQ, MicroStrategy and PayPal, the game changer for Bitcoin. Back in April 2023 IQ launched their first Bitcoin closed-end fund. The Toronto-based investment manager 3iQ Corp. has completed a $48 million offering in its Bitcoin fund, QBTC, trading on the Toronto Stock Exchange. The thing with closed-end funds is that they can give out new shares to raise capital to do more investment. And 3iQ has done this 5 times this year so far. With the latest being on the 30th of November 2020 where they raised another $50 million to invest in Bitcoin. And recently 3iQ completed their offering for their first Ethereum fund. They have been able to raise $76,500,000. The recent upswing of Ethereum was the cause of this. I have mentioned this in one of my Ethereum videos. That this was coming and Ether price would benefit from this. And since this company also owns Litecoin, I expect that they will launch a Litecoin close-end fund as well in 2021. MicroStrategy. MicroStrategy Incorporated, the largest independent publicly traded business intelligence company, announced that it had purchased an additional approximately 29,646 bitcoins for approximately $650 million in cash in accordance with its Treasury reserve policy, at an average price of approximately $21,925 per bitcoin, inclusive of fees and expenses. As of December 21, 2020, the company holds an aggregate of approximately 70,470 bitcoins, which were acquired at an aggregate purchase price of approximately $1.125 billion and an average purchase price of approximately $15,964 per bitcoin, inclusive of fees and expenses. The company continues to operate in accordance with its Treasury reserve policy and currently holds approximately 70,470 bitcoins, said Michael J. Saylor, CEO, MicroStrategy Incorporated. The acquisition of additional bitcoins announced today reaffirms our belief that Bitcoin, as the world's most widely adopted cryptocurrency, is a dependable store of value. We believe the proactive management of our balance sheet, combined with the improved revenue and profitability performance of the company, have been significant factors in the recent appreciation in our stock price. The company continues to believe Bitcoin will provide the opportunity for better returns and preserve the value of our capital over time compared to holding cash. We also remain dedicated to our customers and our goal of operating a growing profitable business intelligence company, said Phong Le, President and CFO, MicroStrategy Incorporated. As we work to grow revenue through hyper-intelligence, cloud intelligence and embedded intelligence offerings, the company expects to continue to generate positive operating income and free cash flow and will continue to evaluate the use of excess cash in accordance with our capital allocation strategy and Treasury reserve policy. What MicroStrategy did was a bold move. They even issued debt to buy more bitcoins. So far it has been paying off. If you look at their stock price, it's been growing well, especially the last 2 months thanks to the increased value of the Bitcoin. MicroStrategy has set an example of how you can increase value for shareholders. Instead of buying back shares, companies can also buy some cryptocurrency to increase the value of their stock price. The CEO of MicroStrategy has been flirting with Elon Musk to do the same. If Elon Musk is going to do it, I strongly believe that other companies will do the same. I have to thank Jeremy from the YouTube channel Financial Education for pointing this out. The third pile that had a major impact on Bitcoin was PayPal. PayPal offering their members to be able to use crypto for payments has been huge. They have only added a few crypto coins. such as is Bitcoin, Ethereum and Litecoin. There are a few more. According to a report, PayPal was responsible for buying 70% of the new mined Bitcoins. All of these three things are just in baby shoes, they are going to evolve more in 2021. With the growing interest for Bitcoin, I think eventually MicroStrategy is going to look at altcoins. 2021 could be a huge year for altcoins. Decentralized finance. Decentralized finance smart contracts are going to be booming because of COVID aftermath. With COVID more money being printed, the interest rates will be kept low so that banks can loan cheap and give cheap loans to business. At least that is the intention. But in reality, banks don't loan much money to small businesses, as they seem too risky. Banks prefer to loan those cheap money to big businesses and multinationals. But most of them don't need loans. So banks need to find another way to earn money. So they are charging interest to people who have big savings in their bank accounts. So what do people do with their big savings? They are starting to look for ways where they can earn money on the savings, preferably as safe as possible. In 2019-2020, a lot of the savings money were put in real estate, stock market and some in crypto. People are still very risk averse against cryptos. They like to invest in cryptos but are afraid of being hacked. They don't understand how to use the wallet and so on. So they are pushing their fund manager or hedge funds manager to invest in crypto on behalf of them. For some who understand crypto, they are moving some funds in crypto staking and in decentralized finance projects to earn interest while holding on to their cryptos. Currently, decentralized finance projects are so popular that they are overloading the network of Ethereum, forcing Ethereum to working on Ethereum 2.0. I believe the popularity of DeFi projects will continue to grow in 2021. Currently, decentralized finance projects are facing transaction speed problems, scalability issues and high fees. So I think that in 2021 DeFi projects will start to move on other blockchains such as Cardano and Polkadot, where they don't face or face fewer of these problems. So in short, I think Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin and Cardano will grow in value in 2021. In general, the whole crypto market will continue to grow in value. If you want to know why I think Cardano is going big in 2021, then check my video, Cardano the Road of a Champion. If you want to know why I think Litecoin is going big in 2021, then check my video, Litecoin 2021 Ready for Insane Growth. I hope you liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you haven't already. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more updates on crypto and stocks. Let me know in the comment section which crypto you think will be booming in 2021. Happy New Year! Hope that 2021 will be the year where all of you get very wealthy.